So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, my English is so weak, but I will try to give on my best. Okay. Today I'm going to show how to install Metasploit on your Termex. Okay, without any error. And today I'm solve you some error on Metasploit. Okay. So first of all, before Metasploit installation, we need our Termex Black tool. Okay. So first of all, install Termex Black. Okay. So how to install Termex Black? So first of all, guys, install this all packages on your Termex. I am already installed this. Okay. So after install packages, so type this link. Okay. Sorry, paste this link on your Termex, and guys, I give you all comments in the description, so don't worry. Okay, so this link here is a Termex Black tool. Okay, so paste this link and enter. So after enter, wait few seconds. Okay, so after few seconds, type ls. Okay, so type ls. Okay, so you can see that install.sh is the file. So first of all, give the permission chmod +x, then install.sh. So enter. So after enter, type ls. So you can see that install.sh. Okay, is the green file. So type /install.sh. Then -i. Okay. Then enter. So you can see that our Termex Black installation is on. And guys, depend on your internet speed and wait something 1.5 minutes. Okay, because depend on your internet speed. Okay. So guys, you can see that RU1 Termex Black Custom PS1. Okay, so type Y. So after Y, you can see that our Termex Black installed successfully. Only wait few seconds. Okay. So I'm waiting. And guys, my 2 channel is already deleted. So please support me. Okay. Subscribe my YouTube channel for interesting video. Okay. And if you any problem, okay, so please comment. Okay, so you can see that our Termex Black installed successfully. Okay, so now open your second season. Okay, so I open my second season, and first of all I clear my terminal. Okay, so after clear, guys, install package install Ruby 2. Okay, so type package install Ruby 2. Okay, so type this command, then enter. So after enter, you can see that. Okay, so type Y. So after Y, guys, wait something 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, because depend on your internet speed, because this package size is I think 22.4 MB. Okay, so depend on your internet speed, and wait something 2 and 3 minutes. Okay. So guys, after 2 minutes, our Ruby 2 installed successfully. And guys, Termex Black, it's very necessary for Ruby 2. If you not install Termex Black, so your Ruby 2 install not successfully. So first of all, install Termex Black tool. Okay, then install Ruby package install Ruby 2. Okay, so you can see that our Ruby 2 installed successfully. So first of all, I clear my terminal. Okay, so then guys, type this command. Okay, type this command. This is Metasploit tool. Okay, so paste this link, and guys, I give you all comments in the description, so don't worry. Okay, so paste this link on Termex, then enter. So after enter, wait few seconds. Okay, so after type ls, so you can see that metasploit.sh is the file. So first of all, give the permission. Okay, chmod +x metasploit, copy the metasploit.sh file. Okay, so I copy, then paste. Okay, so then enter. So after enter, type ls. So run this command. Okay, so type /, then copy metasploit.sh file, then paste. Okay, so then enter. So after enter, you can see that metasploit.sh means Metasploit installation is on. And guys, depend on your internet speed. Okay, so type Y. Okay, and guys, depend on your internet speed. Okay, so something wait 15-20 minutes. Okay, depend on your internet speed. Okay, and guys, today I am solve your some error on Metasploit. Okay, so type Y. Okay, so guys, I will be back after 15-20 minutes. Okay, and guys, please support, yeah, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, you can see that gems installed. So guys, wait again something 1.5 minutes. Okay, so guys, you can see that I am facing the problem command not found, but if you facing any problem after /metasploit.sh, okay, so how to solve this? So guys, again run this command /metasploit.sh, because it's your internet problem. Okay, so type again. Okay, if you facing the problem, okay, so type this command /metasploit.sh. Okay, then enter. So guys, again wait something 5-6 minutes. Okay, So guys, finally our Metasploit installed successfully. So copy the MS console. Okay, so I copy MS console command, then open new season. Okay, so paste this. Okay, so first of all I clear my terminal and paste this command MS console. Okay, so enter. So after enter you can see that MS console command it's working. But guys, I am solve for some errors. Okay, so wait few seconds. Okay. So guys, you can see that MS console command it's working and it's starting. Okay. So guys, wait something 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Okay. Okay, so you can see that guys, MS console command is working and our Metasploit installed successfully. And first of all, guys, this is not problem. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so guys, first of all, if you facing any problem after ./metasploit.sh command, okay, you face any problem in any problem like your MS console command not working and like this. Okay, so how to solve it? So guys, again run this command ./metasploit.sh. Okay, then guys, if you facing again this problem, so guys again run this command ./metasploit.sh. Okay, but if you facing again run this if you facing again this problem, so guys try again after 15 minutes because it's your internet problem. Okay, your internet connection problem. And guys, I'm 100% sure it's working. Okay, so try again after 15 minutes. Okay, and your internet connection it's good, so your Metasploit installed successfully in 20 minutes. Okay, and if you're facing any problem, so type ./metasploit.sh and again run these commands. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, so like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, if you're facing any problem, okay, so please comments.